Hello guys, this is Swati. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn about the how to make portfolio. So many of you have a doubt, means how to create portfolio, which points we need to add in that portfolio. So I am going to explain these all things today. So let's start our video. Don't skip and don't drag. Just keep watching. So let's start our video. So what portfolio exactly? So in your resume or CV, we need to mention your portfolio. So if you are architect, interior designer, or internship, you are going for internship, so first they'll ask send your portfolio. So in that we need to show our skill for that company. If your portfolio it is good, means there are more chances to get higher in that company. So let's start which point we need to mention, or how to make portfolio, and what requirements we need to add in that portfolio. So first first requirement for portfolio is you need to research on Google. Means suppose which dream company you are having, or if you have planned anything like for that company, I want to go for that company or this company, your dream company. Or suppose what you have to do research for the company you are looking for. So suppose you are architect, so you will keep searching for the architectural company. If you are interior designer, you will find for that, you will search for that company. So basically from which branch or which domain or which field you are from, so for that you have to search, and then you have to search for that company requirement, whether that company is working on the commercial project or residential project. Why it is very important? Because suppose that company is doing only commercial project, and you have added the uh, drawings related to residential, so that is the no use of for that company. If you are having more skill, you are good with the skill, your drawing also good, but that company don't require those things, if you will add those things, means that is waste of time. So let's first you need to focus on the those things, whether that company is related to commercial or residential. So those things you keep in mind, and according to that you need to create your portfolio. So first thing, I hope you got it. You need to do research for the companies, that company related to which field, whether commercial or residential, whether architectural field or interior design, according to that, or construction field. According to that you have to add the whatever drawings you have to add for your portfolio. Next is only includes good works. Suppose you are having so many render diagram or render drawing, or any model, interior things, 2D plans, 3D elevation, 3D plans. So we have to first study of those drawings or those works. Suppose if you will add so many drawings, and in that you have done somewhere mistakes or something wrong you have done, maybe the chance of getting there something issue. Suppose you have done something mistake in that drawing, they'll ask about the about that drawing. Maybe the chance of they can ask why you have done this, or what is the use of that. So you should be very clear before mentioning any drawing or anything related to your work in your portfolio. You are very clear about that things. First you study those drawings, first you check whether that drawing is 100% accurate or correct or not, then only you have to add those work for your portfolio. So third thing is, the 1/3 page of your portfolio, it should be white color. So only wherever you are importing the drawings, that area should be only color, and remaining all the things you have to keep for the whatever detailing or information of your drawing you need to mention. Next point is, add enough information about your drawing. So keep your information as short as. So what you have to do, keep it is short, because if you will explains like a para, or it is no use. Just you have to give short detailing about your drawing, what drawing exactly you have done, or information about that drawing. Next is, drawing should be, it should be perfect, means with scale, with dimension, with measurement, or anything. If you have render anything, if you have given 3D elevation, the color combination, which color, which type, which material, which types of lighting you have mentioned, or suppose if it is 2D plan, which scale you have mentioned, everything, whether that is that site area, how much it is, everything you need to mention. Your drawing should be with detail and it should be accurate. So next is showcase your personality. The very important and last thing you need to mention in your portfolio, that is personality. Personality means who you are, that you need to mention or explain, because portfolio, it is a very important thing. See, even if you are not able to answer any question, your drawing will answer to that company. Suppose your work is good, suppose if sometimes in some case you are unable to answer some few question, 1-2 question, or you are not able to answer that question, nothing to worry. If your portfolio it is good, your work is good, you have explained everything correctly in that portfolio, maybe chance to get higher or qualified for that interview. So before going for any interview, just focus all the things whatever I have mentioned. So again, I'll mention those points in description, go and check. Thanks for the watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.